Greetings, Bill Gerald here. I'm the Chief Energy Engineer for CalPortland, and this is Energy in Industry. Hello there, Bill Gerald here, Chief Energy Engineer at CalPortland. I'm the Energy Manager for CalPortland. CalPortland is a cement, concrete, and construction materials company. We are in the west coast of the United States, Washington, Oregon, California, Nevada, Arizona. That's our basic supply area. We mine products and manufacture Portland cement, distribute the cement, the Portland cement, and we also distribute that cement to our own facilities, which then mix it into ready-mix concrete. We also mine the aggregates, the rock and sand products that are mixed into the concrete. We use it internally as well as sell it to customers. We have 2 asphalt plants in the central coast of California, and we are a industrial company that uses energy to make all those products and deliver those products. We're spending about $110 to $115 million a year on energy. The energy is in forms such as the coal and natural gas and other alternative fuels that you use in the cement kiln burning process. Of course, almost every industry in the world uses electricity. The distribution, the grid supplies us the energy to our facilities. We pay our rates and our tariffs, bringing in that electricity, and use it in our factories. One of the most common components is the polyphase induction motor, or the 3-phase induction motor. Mr. Tesla was Nikola Tesla, famously made that or created that system, and he beat out Thomas Edison to create their own industry of selling energy to customers, that's who we are. And using that electricity, we spin motors that are coupled with belt conveyors, fans, screw conveyors, cement pumps, all forms of motorized equipment, a lot of conveyance of materials, moving things around, mixing things, and that electricity is how we produce, our product. The energy at some point in the system, there is a fuel source or an energy source that is converted by the utility or the energy supplier, and then put on the grid, and then we bring it in, and then we have this. We all know this: a meter or meters at some properties that are monitoring this power, and we're going to pay the utility or pay the energy supplier, right? Businesses have been doing this, and the model has evolved over the last almost couple hundred years now. And currently we CalPortland, we have about 80 or so utility companies that we have to work with on the electrical side, and then a few dozen natural gas utility suppliers as well. And that's a cost of doing business. That energy supply to us, we have to pay a rate or a tariff, and my job is to kind of keep track of that, watch that, and make sure that we're paying the right rate, paying the fair rate, trying to make sure that we're efficiently using that energy. So internally, looking at ourselves internally, and making sure we're using all the best practices out there to minimize that energy consumption and still make the product we need to make. Cement, concrete, aggregates, asphalt, they all have a quality requirement. The quality control is essential to make sure we're selling a good product, and we don't want to interfere with that, but we want to make sure we are using the energy efficiently that's being supplied to us, paying the minimum amount that we have to pay, and it's for the cost of doing business. The energy per ton or energy per yard that we are paying is an important key performance indicator, KPI, and we watch that and try to make sure that we're on We are doing business as efficiently as possible and making sure we're not spending too much money on the energy side of the world. You know, the energy management group or the team that we have, what we do is we use Energy Star. The federal government has the Energy Star program. Energy Star is part of the Environmental Protection Agency. It's the Energy Star program, its goal is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and so they focus on energy and energy efficiency. And some may not know, and we know inside CalPortland, but outside of the industrial world, you know, the residential, you know, consumer will know that there are Energy Star appliances, Energy Star light bulbs, Energy Star refrigerator, etc. We are on the industrial side of things where we're a partner in the program. There are many companies that are partners, companies, big names like Raytheon, Toyota, Nissan, General Motors, oil companies, steel companies, other cement companies. Energy Star partners include Cemex and Continental Cement, Ozinga Concrete, Titan America. All these companies, we have regular meetings and we share with each other on how to perform better, how to increase our energy efficiency, and it's a real partnership between Energy Star and these other companies to create this program and maintain this program that helps us, CalPortland, maintain our focus on energy management and energy efficiency. This is a program I really believe in, and I think that it's proven itself. And I just wanted to make this video to kind of introduction to CalPortland and an introduction to our energy management. We're going to follow up with other videos that talk about specifically how we do it, the energy management program itself, how that is created, how it's structured, and how that structure helps maintain a consistent program that maintains its integrity and maintains its continuance. Each year to be able to keep going and do it the next year. That's what really determines if a program is going to survive, is its legitimate use and its ability to continue from year to year. Well, that's enough for right now, and appreciate your tuning in, and hopefully you subscribe to this channel, Energy and Industry, because this is where I'm going to be talking a lot more about energy management and our energy in our industry, and how we consume it, how we manage it, and how we monitor it, and how we improve our existing energy management. It's always about improving and getting better. Well, thanks a lot, Bill Gerald. This is Energy and Industry.